Hi, welcome to Forbest Academy. In today's video we're answering another SSAT Math question. Let's begin. The question says, how many more 9" by 9" linoleum tiles than 1 foot by 1 foot tiles will it take to cover a 12 foot by 12 foot floor? A, 63, B, 98, C, 112, D, 120, or E, 144. So let's start by finding out how many tiles it will take to cover them with the 1 foot by 1 foot tiles. If the total floor is 12 feet across and 12 feet high, it will take 12 tiles and 12 tiles. Multiply those together, we get 144. Now, if we have the 9" tiles, our first step is going to be to convert them into feet. So 9 over 12 would be the amount of feet. 9 out of 12. We can simplify this to 3 over 4. So how many 3/4 feet tiles would it take to reach the whole 12 feet? To do that, we do 12 divided by 3/4. This is the same as multiplying it by 4 over 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4, times by 4, 16. So it takes 16 across and 16 up. So we multiply those two together, we get 256. All that's left is to do 256, take away 144. That gives us 112. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel.